What's worse than finding a worm in your apple? Finding half a worm. Ugh. Today we're going to learn the 3 ways to move a shape or design. So here, it's a pretty big letter, but I want you to hopefully be able to see it. This is a capital E. One way I can move a shape or design is to slide it in a new place. So I can simply do this. This is called a slide or a translation. Another way I can move a shape or design is to do this. I am going to rotate this E around the point. So I'm going to go like this, and then like this, and then like this, and then like this. This is called rotate or turn. The other way that I can move a shape or design is to do this. I can flip it. It's also called reflect. So it's called flip or reflection. I can remember that by this. So I have this, and then I can turn it. How does the E look now? Right, it's backwards. Okay, now we're going to do A. What's one way that I can move it? I can slide it. I can rotate it. So I can do this. And then around like this. Hopefully you can see it. So that's called a flip or rotation. Or I can do this. I can flip it like this. Does the A look the same when I flip it? Yes, the A does look the same. So I can slide it, I can rotate it, and I can flip it. Let's try with one more. Now I'm going to have B, capital B. So here's my B. I can simply slide it. I can rotate it like this. And I can flip it. Is it the same or backwards? It's now backwards. Okay, I'm going to let you try now. I'm going to have you get out 110-2. And at the very bottom, I'm going to have you cut out the C. Once you cut the C out, I want you to put it up here below the word translate. And I want you to slide it to the box below. Now put your C where it says rotate and rotate it around. Then put C here and flip it. As you're doing this, I want you to write the C on how it looks when you slide it, rotate it, and flip it. So let's do that. When we slide it, the C simply looks like this. When I do a rotation, I actually just turn my paper around so that I can have it correct. Then I'll go upside down, and I'll put it there. And then I'll turn it again, and I'll put my C here. Now use your C and flip it, and then write how it would look backwards. Now I want you to cut out the Z at the bottom of the page. And then I want you to slide it, Write how it would look. Then I want you to rotate your paper and write how it would look. And then when you flip it, I want you to write how it would look. This one is a little bit tricky. So when you flip it over, really pay attention to what that looks like when you flip it. Now I want you to cut out one of these other letters, and it's your choice, and do the translate, the rotate, and the reflect. Write what letter you chose up here. You'll have letters left over, and that's okay. When you're finished, take a picture and let me see it. Have fun.